In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in this Jeep Liberty key fob. This key fob was used on Liberties from 2002 to 2004, and inside we will find two of these CR 2016 batteries. You can change your battery yourself at home. It's very easy. Don't need to pay anyone to do it. Just follow along. All you need is two of these batteries. You can pick them up online. I've left a link down in the description to get them on Amazon for just a couple bucks. First thing we're going to do is find this opening, this little slot on this part of the key fob here, and now take something like a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, hold firmly, and gently twist. With very little effort, you start to open this up on the side. You can just pull it apart with your fingers, or you can go down and continue twisting to push this apart. Really easy. Now we have two batteries stacked up on top of each other here. Just be careful when pulling these out. The first one you can kind of just pull out with your fingernail, or you could use your flathead screwdriver if you'd like. This one comes up pretty easily. And this second one, what I like to do is kind of push down on one side. You see how it pops up like that? And now you can lift it up with your fingernail like you just saw before, or take a flathead screwdriver and just get under it, and it'll come out like that. Take two fresh new CR 2016 batteries, make sure this positive side goes face up, and they just click back into place super easily, one on top of the other. Positive up, next one, positive up, click, and we're just gonna click these two back together. That's it, done. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to leave a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the internal batteries of key fobs from nearly every make or model, go ahead and check out fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.